Alright, we're going to load some film into the Pentax PC35AF-M. This is how. You'll need your favorite film, in which case unfortunately I am already failing because Kodak Gold 200 is not my favorite film. But there it is. There's the open switch, and there's your guts. Alright. Literally this just pushes down. You want to pull it enough that I pull it usually enough to get to the end. Make sure that it lines up with the teeth right here. See if I can zoom in more. There you go. There's little teeth right here that this lines up on. And you snap it shut. And oops. As you see, the counter's already set to 1. It's ready to fire. Make sure if you are using a non-DX film that you set your ISO appropriately. Even if you do have a DX film in there, you might want to over or underexpose it depending on the situation. So that is also the override for it. And that is how you load film into your Pentax PC-AF-35 or PC-35AF-M. Cheers.